Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, as you can see, let me introduce you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Apple iPhone 15 Pro Titanium, baby. Ooh, titanium, so strong, so light, so professional. The iPhone 15 Pro has the awesome design, and it comes with an all-new reaction button. Yeah, and we can program it like we need it. It is available in 4 awesome colors. It comes in titanium natural. It comes in blue titanium, in white titanium, and in black titanium. Yeah, iPhone forget it, titanium, baby. That's a really cool phone. The iPhone 15 Pro is the first iPhone, so it features an aerospace-grade titanium design, using the same alloy that spacecraft use for a mission to Mars. Titanium has one of the best strength-to-weight ratios of any metal out there. It's making this is the lightest Pro models ever. We will never notice the difference the moment you pick it up, and we can feel it. Yes, titanium. Titanium is a really cool feature in the modern way of designing smartphones, isn't it? Yes, it is. It looks so beautiful. It looks so nice. The iPhone is an eye-keeping thing. Of course, because it's made of a titanium. And the iPhone is the first nice looking titanium phone. The A17 Pro chip makes it to a monster that wins for gaming. It's the biggest redesign in the history of the Apple GPUs. A GPU is a graphic processing unit. The A17 Pro is an entirely new class of iPhone chip that delivers the best graphic performance by far. Mobile games will look and feel so immersive, with incredibly detailed environments and more realistic characters. And with its industry-leading speed and efficiency, the A17 Pro takes fast and runs with it. And not only the chip, and the titanium is really cool. There comes a camera that captures the wildest imaginations. From dramatic framing flexibility to next-generation portraits. We can do nearly everything with this most powerful iPhone camera system. With the iPhone 15 Pro, we have multiple focal lengths to work with. It's like having 7 Pro lenses in our pocket. Everywhere we go, of course. And the 48 megapixel main camera is more advanced than ever, capturing super high resolution photos with a new level of detail and color. We will see the improvement in our portraits, for example. And now we no longer have to switch to portrait mode. If subject is a person, duck, or a cat, the iPhone automatically captures depth information. So we can choose to instantly see our photo as a portrait with an artful blur effect. Or later, in the photo app, of course. We shoot magical, special videos, then relieve them on Apple Vision Pro. With 120mm of pure zoom, it's possible to see nearly every detail. For the iPhone 15 Pro Max, they designed a 5-time telephoto camera with the longest optical zoom of any iPhone ever to fit in the compact Pro camera system. And now we can take sharper close-ups from far away, like a phenomenal photo of our friend or a goal in our kid's soccer match. 5-time optical zoom with the 120mm lens. at the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's a big thing. We get in on the action button. The all-new action button is a fast track to our favorite feature. Once we set the one we want, we just press and hold to launch the action. For example, silent mode, focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo, translate, magnifier, shortcut, or accessibilities. By default, the action button is set to toggle between ring and silent modes, of course. If we choose a different action, we can use the contrast center to mute or use focus filter to automatically set our iPhone so silent. Whatever we are doing, the action button is at the ready. Launch the camera to catch a spontaneous selfie, for example, or its record an instant voice memo. We can even select shortcuts to open an app or run a series of tasks, like switching on the lights in our living room and playing music too. And Gigablast our gigabits. With the iPhone 15 Pro, it is the first iPhone which supports USB 3.0. For a huge leap in the data transfer speed and a faster Pro workflow than ever before, the new USB-C connector lets us charge our Mac or iPad with the same cable we use to charge the iPhone 15 Pro. That means bye-bye cable clutters. And it comes up to 20 times faster file transfer. The all-new Wi-Fi 6 delivers up to 2 times faster wireless speeds, so we can upload and download files in a flash. We want to find a friend in a crowded train station or a busy park? Really look no further than a precision finding for to find my friends. Powered by the new second-generation ultra-wideband chip. Precision finding now has 3 times greater range, so it can lead us right to them. To enable the precision finding with friends with the iPhone 15 or 15 Pro, we can share their location only with using Find My, of course. It's simple, but it's private. And the battery life, that's positively pro. Even with so many advanced new features, the iPhone 15 Pro still gives us amazing all-day battery life. Up to 29 hours of video playback on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And up to 23 hours of video playback on the iPhone 15 Pro. Oh, and we add a MagSafe charger for fast, efficient wireless charging too, of course. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has up to 9 more hours video playback than the iPhone 12 Pro Max on the market. And the iPhone 15 Pro has up to 6 more hours video playback than the iPhone 12 Pro. And maybe there will be emergency in the future. In an emergency, the phone has our back. The new roadside assistance via satellite can get us help for things like a flat tire or a dead battery, even when we are off the grid. The iPhone also has an emergency SOS via satellite and crash detection. 2 vital safety features that have helped save lives yet. And it is designed to make a difference. What matters to us matters to Apple too. From privacy protection that gives us more control over our data, to using more recycled materials that minimize the environmental impact, to create built-in features that makes the phone accessibility to all. And the internal structure frame of the iPhone 15 Pro has 100% recycled aluminum. And it comes with iOS 17. We style it out, we swap it over, and we sticker it up. We have contact posters. We create our own poster that contracts. We'll see when we call. We pick a favorite pic or an emoji, pair it with a favorite font, and there we have it. Our very own calling card. And we have name drop. We want to swap contacts info with someone? Just bring your phone close to theirs. Yes, and then we can both choose what we want to share and information transfer instantly. And we have live stickers. We touch and hold an object in a photo to lift it from the background and create a sticker. We add effects like puffy and shiny or create animated stickers from live photos. And of course, this is one of the best iPhones I ever had before. And it looks really cool, I think, because of the titanium. The titanium is a really nice material which comes in this iPhone 15 Pro. And they managed it really good because it looks beautiful and it makes a good job, of course. And with the A70 Pro chip, it lifts up this iPhone performance to a new level. And it looks really cool. The beautiful fine brushed finish on the titanium bands is achieved through precision machining, sanding, brushing, and blasting. And we have new contoured edges and the thinnest borders ever on iPhone. This makes it even more comfortable to hold in our hand. And the titanium band is bonded with a new internal aluminum frame through the solid-state diffusion. This is an industry-first innovation, using a thermomechanical process that joins these two metals with incredible strength. And the internal frame is 100% recycled aluminum. 3-factor of touch, a strong titanium band that touches back glass in a smartphone, and a ceramic shield front that's even touchier than any smartphone glass out there. And remarkably resistant. The iPhone is splash water and dust resistant, water relief, and a display of true intelligence. The iPhone 15 Pro has an advanced Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion. It ramps up refreshed rates to 120 Hz when we need exceptional graphics performance, and ramps down to save power when we don't. And we have Dynamic Island. The bubbles up alerts and live activities, so we don't miss them while we are doing something else. We can easily track our next ride, sport scores, flight status, and more. And it comes with an always-on display. We look at the lock screen, stays glanceable, so we don't have to tap in it to stay in the know. We're using smart algorithms. The iPhone detects when it's in our pocket or face down and goes dark to save battery life. And stand by for something special, baby. The standby turns our iPhone into a new full-screen explanation. With glanceable information we can see from a distance. Just set it on its side while charging to the display the time, to showcase our favorite photos or keep an eye on our widgets. Thanks to always-on display, it's persistent, but at the night the screen dims so we can sleep easily going, baby. You see, that's a big thing in a small smartphone. It is available in different sizes, 6.1 inches in this case, as you can see, and it comes with the A70 Pro chip. This is a monster win for gaming. A new Pro Class GPU, graphic processing unit, enables games not seen before on any smartphone. This phone uses hardware-accelerated ray tracing for the first time. That's up to 4 times faster than software-based ray tracing, delivering more fluid graphics and true-life lighting. It is the fastest ray tracing performance in a smartphone as well. The MetaLife upscaling combines the performance on the GPU and the neural engine to produce high-resolution graphics while using much less power. So we can game on and on. Up to 20% faster GPU, now with 6 cores. Up to 10% faster CPU with 6 cores. Up to 4 times faster ray tracing than the A16 Bionic. And up to 2 times faster neural engine. Performs nearly 35 trillion operations per second with 16 cores. An A17 Pro GPU is up to 70% faster than the GPU in the iPhone 12 Pro. You see, that is nearly a monster. Yeah, isn't it? Hey, yeah, baby. And we have a really nice camera that captures our weirdest and wildest imaginations. 48 megapixel camera mega powerful. The advanced quad pixel sensor makes the most of the 48 megapixels by adapting to what we are shooting. So we get low light photos with phenomenal detail. It also lets us scoot in closer with an additional 2 times telephoto. The new photonic engine combines the best pixels from a super high resolution image with another that's optimized for light captures. So we automatically gets 24 megapixel photos. That's twice the resolution than before. For everyday shoots with extra detail, baby. And for more moments when we want to prioritize details, we have more pro options to choose from. 48 megapixel HEIF gives us 4 times more resolution than before, in a format that's ready to share. Or we shoot 48 megapixel Pro RAW for perfect control over color, detail, and dynamic ranges. And what's the matter with the main millimeter? Now we can choose our default main camera lens, 24, 28, or 35 millimeter, all without having to carry around extra gear. That's the power of computational photography. And we can make next generation portraits. The photonic engine supercharged our portraits, giving us a beautiful detail, true to live color, zero shutter lag, and up to 2 times better low light performance. Now portraits can be live photos too. And in portrait mode, we can use continuous zoom to move in nice and close. And we can even shift the focus between subjects after we take a shot. And the magic is made behind the camera too. It's not just the portraits that benefit from the photonic engine. The night mode now lets us see our project and our subjects more clearly in darker scenes, with increased dynamic range. And widening, when the lighting is brighter or uneven, the latest Smart HDR intelligently optimized for both our subject and the background. This giving us photos with gorgeous color and more accurate skin tones. And the True Depth camera also used the latest Smart HDR night mode and portrait enhanced, so we will get our best selfie yet. And we shift zoom steady and cut it. Cinematic mode automatically shifts the focus to the most important subjects in a scene. And now we can master compelling close-ups with the new 2 times optic quality zoom. That's nice. And we use action mode to steady a really shaky handheld shot without a gimbal. And Pro Video now with more professional. The new log encoding makes the Pro RAS even more powerful, enabling more range and flexibility for visual effects and color grading in post. The iPhone 15 Pro is the first smartphone to support ACES, Academic Color Encoding System. This is a global color standard for major movie production. Yeah, we do our things, directors. Yes. And spatial video captions comes to the iPhone. We take spatial videos on iPhone 15 Pro and relieve them on Apple Vision Pro as we like. And we make memories that comes alive with the spatial videos. The iPhone 15 Pro can shoot 3D vision videos using the advanced ultra-wide and main camera. So we can relive our favorite moments on Apple Vision Pro if we like. And of course, if we have a Apple Pro system, of course. That's all is the really nice looking smartphone here. We have all what we need on and in the iPhone 15 Pro Titanium. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.